frame. What a story, South Africa. iBhayibheli lithi uNkulunkulu seduzane nenhliziyo zalabo abakhathazekile. This man troubled me, tormented me, this man. He really tormented me. My heart was really heavy the whole entire episode. You know, we had an episode in the room. You know, I remember my guys, ngisebenza nabo Tough Guy, abo leader Harmony, abo leader Bongs, half the episode he was crying the whole way. And you know, when a chairman gets teary eyes, I don't usually take off my glasses while I'm shooting the episode. Lamazaza clear as an episode wrong. The very same episode. I can't South Africa. You know, there are a lot of things and there are many things that Africans or South Africans could be. But ukuba ikhoko, no man. Very few. We are getting there. And I know you could be many things. In a world where you could be anything, be kind. Kind-hearted people are reaching out. The episode is heavy. It's a big one. I encourage each and every South African nabangaphandle ukuthi go and watch this episode. If ufuna ukufunda nge-human spirit, the resilience, and what we are made of. uNkulunkulu has done something with Ulivuane's life. So please do reach out. And there are numbers also at the bottom of the screen. We made sure ukuthi we are not going to stand in a way abantu bathi sifuna ukuhlaba ikhwele sifuna ukusiza. So hlabeke igalelo nisize ke South Africans. This episode needs your attention. Let's make it move, let's make it trend, let's make it big, because it deserves that kind of attention. Akusinto zokudlala. Ngishilo ngathi la abantu bayalimala. Lo mfethu washayeka kabuhlungu. He was shot 4 times. He lost his mobility. Udoctor vele bekathe kuye so paralyzed from the waist down. Angeke uphinde uhambe for nothing. He had only 50 rand in his pocket. Abafana bazobamba inkonzo. Uyam explain umfana bekane scratch. They shot him for sweet nothing. And then immediately after that, how he narrates the story. This is why I encourage all of you South Africans to go and watch the episode. Mhlawumbe nizothola a bit of a snippet as umfana eqhubeka nayo. But for me, in this season, this is my best episode so far.
Ngiyazisola mhlambe makuthiwa bengithi bangibambe inkunzi ngale nalo 50 rand. Mhlawumbe bengizothi he shot me because ngalile nalo 50 rand. Bara ngala